video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2016 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, driver airbag, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.